Hey, I'm Dan with Hardscape Mentor, and I just want to walk through how we incorporate the different tones, textures, patterns, and shapes in these thick brick surfaces. And so what I like to do when I'm picking out my pavers is pick out some contrasting or complementing colors. I then try and lay out the space or designate the access and the flow around the space with these said tones, textures, patterns, and shapes. So as you can see here, this art line paver sweeps us around to the fire pit. I simply overlay the pattern and cut that banding line off per design. I then drop in the contrasting color to designate this space by overlaying the pattern, cutting it off, and dropping in that banding line. Now here's something to take the space to the next level, is bringing in the tone and texture of even a natural stone. A totally different pattern, a totally different shape. Once again, contrasting but complementary. It's really easy to work in this flagstone inlay because it's built on the same base foundation as the pavers, and it's a 2-inch thickness, which is not too far off from the paver thickness. Over here, another detail that takes things to the next level is incorporating some of these limestone boulders into the border. We specifically and on purpose placed these into the border and then scribed around them to make them look like they were already there. And speaking of pavers, check out what I did with this accent stripe. I took one of the border and banding pavers and turned it on its side and took this fire pit kit to the next level. I'll show you exactly how to incorporate all these details through our virtual training platform. Check out some more details. These started out as 28-inch square pillar caps, 4 inches thick. I took each one and pieced it out to form the radius that this bar is set on. So just a standard retaining wall block used in many instances is what we bring in to build these custom vertical features. On the back side of this bar, this client requested a spot for their cooler. I'll show you exactly how we carved out this space for a cabinet or even an appliance to go in your next outdoor bar. So there was a huge response on how I put together spaces like this, which is why we launched Hardscape Mentor. I look forward to sharing my 23 years of knowledge and experience with all the new people coming into the hardscape industry.